Open parenthesis 6 plus 4 close parenthesis minus 20 divided by 2 times 5. Before you keep watching, pause the video and solve yourself. Don't use a calculator. Don't check the comments. Take your time, work it out, and comment your answer below. And here's one important clue. The answer is not 8. If you got 8, don't worry. You're not alone. Thousands of people make the same mistake because they don't follow the correct order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. Stay until the end because I'll explain every step, and after this video, you'll never make this mistake again. Let's begin. The expression is open parenthesis 6 plus 4 close parenthesis minus 20 divided by 2 times 5. Whenever you see a question like this, never solve it from left to right without thinking. Instead, remember the rule called PEMDAS. PEMDAS stands for P means parentheses, E means exponents, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, S means subtraction. One thing many people don't know is that multiplication and division have the same priority. You do whichever comes first from left to right. The same rule applies to addition and subtraction. Now, let's solve the problem correctly. Our expression is open parenthesis 6 plus 4 close parenthesis minus 20 divided by 2 times 5. First, solve the parentheses. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Now rewrite the expression. 10 minus 20 divided by 2 times 5. Next, perform division and multiplication from left to right. Start with the division. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. Now the expression becomes 10 minus 10 times 5. Next, multiply. 10 times 5 equals 50. Now we have 10 minus 50. Finally, subtract. 10 minus 50 equals negative 40. So the correct answer is negative 40, not 8. If you got negative 40, congratulations. You followed PEMDAS correctly. If you got 8, here's a mistake you probably made. You likely multiplied 2 times 5 first, getting 10, and then divided 20 by 10. That gives 2. Then you calculated 10 minus 2, which equals 8. But that's not how PEMDAS works. Remember, division and multiplication have equal priority, so you solve them from left to right, not by always multiplying first. Here's another quick example. Consider this expression. 24 divided by 4 times 3. Some people multiply 4 times 3 first and get 12. Then they divide 24 by 12 and get 2. But that's incorrect. The correct method is to go from left to right. First, 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Then, 6 times 3 equals 18. So the correct answer is 18, not 2. That's exactly the same rule we used in today's problem. If you're enjoying these math challenges and want to sharpen your skills, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. I post new math puzzles every week that challenge your thinking and help you master PEMDAS one step at a time.